I'm Merlin and I have a brother printer. I've tried everything in terms of cleaning it, repairing it, trying to make it work in some fashion, and finally we've decided on the last logical solution with the printer. We're going to run it over in my tank. So, over to the random bystander. Kevin,
absolutely amazing.
How do you feel about what we're about to do?
I'm both excited and excited. I think would be the two emotions. It's been the best thing ever, and owning a tank, I have such envy.
Printer, you don't know what's coming.
It's killed it!
It's dead, Jim!
Oh my god!
Let's see the damage that we've done.
The APC one.
Yeah, I think we've solved the problem of trying to fix it.
I'd say you could definitely get a refund on it now.
Accidental damage.
Just put it on eBay with a shot from that side. Sold us
For parts. Or not working.
We shall return this to its home.
Oh yes, it's a lot better now with that piece. Thank you. Thank you.
That's sellable now straight away.
That was the missing bit.
That's what I'm here for.